face. I have moisturized. I'm gonna take these earrings off real quick. We moisturize our skin. It's gonna be a very simple look. We're going to just a date night tonight, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna start because I feel like my skin has been pretty dry. I'm gonna start by spraying the setting spray on it. This is the badescu setting spray. And then I'm not doing anything super fancy. I'm just gonna do like a very simple look. But I do want to use my Marc Jacobs foundation. But I feel like it's almost drying to my skin. So I'm just going to kind of pop it on like that. And then we're going to set it, spray again. There we go. Okay, so there's the Marc Jacobs foundation. I just wanted to show that to you guys. And then I go in with my concealer, Wet n Wild concealer. You can see, and I'm just going to take it in triangular sections around my eyes, down the side of my nose on both sides, just to open up my eye a little bit. My concealer is not that much lighter than my foundation. It's just a personal preference. Sometimes I want to be extra light, and sometimes I don't. Just taking it down the bridge of my nose. I'm pushing it in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Just to go underneath my under eye, taking the rest of what is there and putting it on top of my lid and pushing everything in underneath your nose and around your nose is usually hormonal redness, so I like to get that covered. Just pushing everything into my skin here for the concealer. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to set it with the airspun. This is my favorite setting powder. I'm taking the damp beauty sponge and going ahead and setting that underneath my eye so I don't have any creasing there, and so that my concealer is set throughout the night and it doesn't move. This is my favorite way of doing it. I also just dabbed a little bit on my eyelids, so anything that I do on my eyelids will set. Then I take a big fluffy brush and back into the airspun to just set the rest of my face. Because I did use so much of the setting spray, I just want to make sure that everything is set but without looking cakey. And then I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in a darker shade to contour my face. I'm using an Eco brush for this, just a blush brush, because I haven't really been liking super precise contours lately, so I've been using a blush brush just to get in there and add some dimension to my face. I go around my cheekbones and then over my forehead, and of course, as you can see there, I did my forehead. And then here I take a smaller itty bitty brush to contour my nose. I like to get the lines pretty close together. I like to kind of point off the tip of my nose because it's pretty round. And I just drag that up and down my nose. And then I take my the contour palette, the True Match, and I'm gonna sculpt out my eyes with that as my eyeshadow and then blend it underneath my eyes as well. So I didn't take any extra eyeshadows or anything. This is just the True Match that I just contoured my face with. Dance moves, breaking it out. And then I just, smoke out my bottom lash line with that. The Anastasia blush kit, I'm using those two shades on a smaller brush just to get in there and give me some more color. On the other side, I kind of liked that brush that's an e.l.f. brush for that. And then I just took a clean fluffy brush to get everything to blend in together and get rid of any harsh lines. Lord, I can't speak this morning. And then I'm using the L'Oreal brow pencil to fill in my brows. Mama. Yes, Athena.
I made these clip-on inside it.
Awesome. Now I'm using the Becca highlighter just to pop on the inner lids and in the inner corner. Thank you for showing me, baby.
You're welcome.
And then of course I pop on some mascara, which I zoomed through this because I like to put on a generous coat of mascara. And I put it on my bottom lash line as well. And then my highlighter, Essence So Glow, which is my favorite. It is a cream highlighter and it is popping. It is going to be very highlighted, and I like it because I don't have to take any extra steps for it to glow. And then I'm popping on some lashes. These are the Ardell 810s, which are my new favorites. So I just popped on some of those. And this is the ColourPop lipstick, liquid lipstick. I want to say, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll have it in the description bar down below for the color. It's one of my favorite reds. And then here I decided to show you guys how I do a quick, easy, messy bun. I just pull my hair up into a ponytail. I wrap it around once and don't get the ends, and then I just pull it out into pieces. My hair is super clean here because I just took a shower and blow dried my hair, so it's super clean. I usually put in like some dry shampoo or some Puff Me just to give it some texture, to give it some hold. I did put a bobby pin in to get those little hairs, but I didn't get that in these clips. So okay guys, this is the finished look. It's very simple, very easy. I use my contour powder for my eyeshadow, contour my nose. I popped some highlighter on my eyelids, lashes, and a bold lip, and you are ready to go. A cute little messy bun with some, I always pull pieces down. I don't ever want anything super perfect. And there it is. Simple date night look. Easy. So yeah, just thought I'd share it with you guys. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you liked it. And until next time, bye guys.